So in the last video, you have had an introduction to exploratory data analysis. Now in this video, let's take a step back and let's understand what exactly is this data analysis. Now this is a video number 16 in this statistics and probability for data science. So do check out the complete playlist on the YouTube channel. So we have this entire playlist, and I'll be releasing the content as we progress in the learning journey. So feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn for any feedback. So let's get started, folks. So here, let's understand what exactly is this data analysis. So in the last session, we have understood the importance of exploratory data analysis. Now this exploratory data analysis actually comes under the data analysis. So if I say data analysis is nothing but analyzing the data in an efficient manner so that we can effectively perform the required task in an easier manner. Okay, that's the overall idea about this data analysis. So it's a process of cleaning, changing, and processing our raw unprocessed data and extracting the actionable relevant information so that we can make an informed decision. To give you an example, the overall meaning of data analysis, let's say we've got a Titanic data set which we have seen in the last video. Now data analysis means using this data set, I want to analyze and I want to say as, okay, if a person gender is male, I want to say that what is his chances of survival on this Titanic ship. Okay, in order to do that, okay, so I'll first perform the data acquisition. We'll follow all the steps that we had mentioned earlier. So this exploratory data analysis comes under the data analysis. So here, when we talk about this data analysis, there are various types of data analysis. So first type is diagnostic analysis. So in case of diagnostic analysis, it answers the question like why exactly we observe that pattern in a given data set, and using the insights gained from the statistical analysis. The analyst use the diagnostic analysis to identify the patterns in the data set. So in a general scenario, as a data analyst, so they would find the similar patterns that has existed in the past, and consequently they use those solutions to resolve the present challenges in a much better hopeful manner. So this is called as a diagnostic analysis. Okay, the other type of data analysis that we would come across is predictive analysis. Now in the scenario of predictive analysis, so this will help us to answer the question. So if this and this is present, okay, what mostly like to happen? So we will find the patterns that is present in the old data as well as my current events that is happening, and then they would predict the future outcome. Now in the scenario of predictive analysis, obviously will not be 100% sure. So the amount in which that we are confident is explained with the help of our confidence about it. Okay, and the other kind of analysis which we will generally come across is prescriptive analysis. Okay, in case of prescriptive analysis, I would say this is a mix of all the insights gained from the other data types, and then you will use this prescriptive analysis as a way in which if something has happened, this is what we have to do. Okay, so in that scenario, so we will make use of this prescriptive analysis. So I would say that we will make use of multiple analysis type, and using that multiple insights that we gain, we are going to take the corrective action. And the other kind of analysis that we would generally come across is the statistical analysis. Now in case of statistical analysis, so here we will make use of the various techniques like the modeling, interpretation, presentation with the help of dashboard, and help us to answer the question as what has actually happened. Now under the statistical analysis, we have the descriptive statistics and the inferential statistics. So we have learned in detail about the descriptive statistics in our last section. So we have learned about the descriptive statistics and we have also learned about the inferential statistics, isn't it? So we use this analysis to explain about the data set. Okay, now during this analysis, depending on type of data, we can either say it's a qualitative data analysis or whether it's a quantitative data analysis. So this is the overall idea about this data analysis. Now the reason that I added this video because I want you to become familiar of these terms. Okay, so as we progress in the next video, we will learn about the hands-on way of analyzing the data set. So what we will do is we'll take up a data set and we'll start with univariate analysis. So I'll see you in the next video.